Hello, today we are continuing our series on Copilot and then the Power Platform products. So today we are talking about the Power Virtual Agent and Copilot. Now, how do we leverage the advantages or the features of Copilot in building our apps? One of the ways that has been given to us is the creation of topics. Now, creation of topics in Power Virtual Agent is quite a tedious work when you do it manually. Now, let me start by creating a bot. So I will leave it as bot 2 as the English is okay. Then I'll hit on create in order not to waste time, go straight to the point and leverage on how we are going to use the Copilot to build topics. For those who are new, the Power Virtual Agent help us to interact with the organizations. So instead of you or sometimes having a call center, this is an additional way of your customers directly interacting on your website or on your phone if you have the Power Virtual Agent embedded in your website or included in your website. So this provides an external interface for your client, and it can also be dealt with using an internal interface to deal with your employees if you want to. So one of the ways of creating a topic is to do it manually. Now a topic determines how the Power Virtual Agent plays out when the user interacts with the bot. So think of a topic as frequently asked questions on a website. Based on the determined answers for each of the questions, then the person who is interacting with the website will get the various answers. So each of the questions could be thought of as a topic. So in creating a topic, it's quite a tedious one to do that. But with the introduction of Copilot, it is been a fast one to do with. So for instance, when you click create a new topic, we have create from blank and then create with Copilot. So the create from blank is the original one or the manual one that we already know. So when we click on the create with Copilot, then you can come out with one of your topics. For instance, if we are at a university, you can say answers for admission requirements. Then you will want to describe what the topic is supposed to do. So think of it as some of the answers that you wish to give potential students when they inquire to the bot. So you can create a description. So this is to provide answers for potential students on the grades required to be admitted. And so this is it's a simple description of what we want the topic to achieve. Then you can go ahead and create bot. Create. So this is going to create the topic for us. And then in addition to that, it creates triggers. So triggers are some of the questions that the user puts forward in their interaction with the bot. So it has gone ahead to create the topic, and then also in addition to that, given the various triggers, and even built a whole complete bot for us instead of doing it manually. So it has suggested something that we can deal with. If you want to edit the trigger phrases, some of these are what are the admission what do I need to apply? Do you have any advice on getting, and all those things. So these are created for us. You can add manually, you can delete some of them. In addition to that, there is an icon here for Copilot that you can edit it. So what do you want to do? You can go ahead and then explain or give additional phrases that could be added to these phrases. Then when you go down, it's also ask various questions that could be added using the Copilot. So this is a very nice way, a very, very important way of dealing with triggers and topics in your bots. The Copilot has come to stay, and it's in preview, I might say, but hopefully it will be generally available and with a very lot improved features. Thank you, and then watch out for the other series with the other Copilot with other platform products like Power BI, Power Apps, and so